Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Microsoft hosted network a virtual adapter is missing in the device manager of Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the hidden drivers. And how will you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Click on view and then you can select show hidden devices. Now once this is done, you can expand the list of network adapters. So you have to expand this list and then you will have to check for the virtual adapter. Okay, this is one thing. Now I can see the virtual adapter, actually the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct virtual adapter and its second one. And if this doesn't work, just use this command. I will share it with you in the description section of the video. Okay, it is net sh wlan show driver space and this bar find str hosting. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane and paste it here. Hit enter. Okay, and the last one is to update the general wireless adapter. So we have this one here. The second one is a general wireless adapter. Right click on it and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.